Tokyo,
London, New York, snap. Yeah, Macdicator the map. Yeah.
Good morning. Welcome to the Ryan Max Show. How's everybody doing? Taking green trades? It looks like we just rejected a Macdicator gap right up here. Boom, boom, boom. Rejection, drop, back and retest. Let's see. Pull up the full screen. All right. We got a 71 tick gap up here. Downtrend back to the probably this pivot or this support, 25,000. Gotta test this out. I have a copy trade set up. And I just need to make sure that it's doing it correctly. Oh no, I don't have it set up. All right. Okay. All right. Sorry. Just needed to get it all situated to make sure that I don't mess myself up. What are we doing? We've been pushing up all morning this morning. It's Tuesday. We got can we get some sort of news this morning? I'm not exactly sure. Let's double check. Yeah, we had a lot of news this morning. Nothing red foldered, but just enough to get the market to move. We have a President Trump's State of the Union speech tonight. Wow, market mover, don't trade tonight. Trump is gonna be on the mic. Goodness gracious. All right. He's gonna make a State of the Union speech. Here we go. All right. Kind of looking at the economic calendar, we got that at 9 p.m. Eastern. And then, of course, we had most of the news run out here. 2-year auction, no auction is going to be at right around 1 p.m. But we don't have much going on. We don't have much targets on the trading view. 41. I got on a little later, but 41 fear. So I'd be bullish, but wouldn't be surprised. We have some arenas coming up. We got the 20K March Madness for $2,000 starting in 5 days. We have 4,307 participants available. And then of course they have another one here. Got RTM API prod test. I don't know exactly what that is, but $1,000 setup. Crypto's live. I didn't decide to trade crypto. No, thank you. I'm not a crypto fan. So, but a couple competitions going on. Crude control. I like to look at these to see if I'd be interested in joining. So, anyway, back to trading. Let's go. I thought we'd break this pivot here on this setup. We do have a pivot down below that we're kind of bouncing off of. Got a 150K PA out of Apex. Right now they have 12 hours left on their 90% off. $95 one-time fees on their setup. But just looking for a trade here. I think short is the way at the moment. Are about 15 points. That'd be nice. Just taking it slow. Yeah, I like this for a little bit more back to the downside. 24,966, definitely somewhere in between here. Maybe even the 200 EMA. But we're going up first. Wouldn't be surprised if we break this pivot down here on the Macdicator. Yeah, I like it for the downside. For now. Influence it to the QQQ. Any gaps down here that QQQ need? Yeah. We have a gap down there. Right about here, there's a gap on the QQQ. I'll pull that up, show you. Look. So in this price range right here, there's a gap that we need to fill in the QQQ, but I don't know when it's going to come to it. We got to break that pivot at least. It's right there, 24,914. Let's reference to the book maps, huh? Let's go to the book maps. Let's look at the book map. Going right back up. Right back up to the book map. All right, we're hitting some sort of seller order here at 106 lots right there. Let's see if we reject that. I think that would be a good spot to go short. Is this a retest candle? Am I buying selling a retest candle? Could we be going up? Four seconds left. 3 seconds left. Yeah, we should have been going up. Maybe, yeah. 25,055. We tested back here, 25K, higher low. Kind of unusual pattern. Go back and retest this 25,046. We're stuck here on the EMAs. Should we short up here? Absorb buyers. Yeah, selling it. Buying it, selling it. What are we doing? I like this for a buy. I think we do it. We got 15 seconds left on the candle. Oh, it's gonna set me in. No. Let's go for a buy. We're in. Where my brackets at? Oh man. We'll see if this wants to go 5 points back up. No. Oofta. Oh, I see this going lower. It's time to get out of this thing. This thing is gonna go lower. Time is it? Half of the hour? The bottom of the hour. What are they doing? Maybe. Maybe. We can get 45, 30 points out of it. Nope. Lower it was. Thought I was going with trend. Back up, but we broke it. Went lower. Sheesh. My goodness. Alright, let's get out of this thing. Wow. Of course. Yeah, well, short was the way. Goodness gracious. Alright, she just keeps rolling down. They just took it right off the table. They were like, nope, 25,016. Nope. Drop it 15, 20 points. It's still rolling down. Think that they wouldn't want to go retest 25,046. Find some buyers down here. Find a bid. Not even hoping for it. Back to the 200 EMA. Find support here. No. We do not find support here. All right. Well, I mean, we don't want to make a double top. Come on. Is this some kind of sick joke? NQ? Some kind of sick joke. Yeah. Oh well. London closed it lower. Does New York catch it? Down 4,000, 5,000. That's the eval that's down. Okay. PA is in front of us for 800. Man, if there's not going to be a double top. 30-minute sell. This thing's still pushing down. Oh, there it goes. Eval's blown. Well, I mean, you over leverage the eval to trade the PA with one mini, but I think, you know what, I think we have some space to even get up here. 25 176 and time. So just a matter of time. If we get some momentum to come back up to these prices, I'll add into this PA. But PA has rules, can't just add into a red trade but one time. I want to be right. All right, let's see. Do we find some bids down there to keep us going up? What's going on? Nope. Probably just best to get out of it and be patient, or wait for a bid to come. All right. We're gonna reject 25K. Looks like it. We gotta get above this 20 EMA. Coming up to 25. There it goes. We can at least make it back to 30. Should be able to make it back to 30. No. It's retesting this pivot that we broke and closed above 24,992. We'll see. Just having a hard time back at 16, 25, 16. That's the lower high within the trend. And jumps off. Well, I'm gonna accept the fact that I was wrong if we get past 24,968.50, which we could here in a minute. Buyers don't look like they're coming in right now. Yeah. Is that a reversal? No, that looks like it could be. I wouldn't be shocked if we got back up to 25,003. No. We do need to repair this wick at 25,003. We're rejecting this pivot. We're kind of hovering around this pivot right now. So, and this pivot is 24,992. So 24,992. So we're hitting, like, we're kind of rejecting it. We do have another pivot on the chart here. So. Yeah, Elite Trader Funding's got a poker game going on right now. I should play some poker. While I wait for this trade to cut in. Can't stay above the 20. Still got 30 seconds left. We didn't repair this wick on the way up there, so we could. Play some poker? You guys like to play poker? Huh? Come on, come up. Might make it to 30. I'm curious to see how it operates at 30. Keep coming up to this 25,000. They're selling it. Yeah, just being patient. $97, $97, $98.9, $25K, $24,999. There you go. Repairing this wick here at $325. Yep. $354. There you go. Back up here. Pushing it. Back to break even. I wouldn't be shocked if we get to 25,059, but we'll make a higher high. Took my break even, huh? Retest. We got what? 30 seconds left. That's it. 16 was the reject. Not this kind of a momentum candle coming back up. We'd probably take the high of day. Yeah. 16, that's where the damage happened though. Right there. Boom. Sell. And that's where we'll probably retest and dump. Alright. Doesn't want to upset in a higher high day. I mean, it's been making higher highs. Just gotta be patient. $30 seconds left on this candle. Oh, 56. What is 56? 75. Just want it up to retest 16 and dump. 10, 10.50, 10, 9, 9, 25, 10, 10. Stuck at 10. Stuck at 10. Look at the book maps. Yeah, we got buyers there. 25, 30, all the way up to 50. We can get there quickly. All right, we need to get above 22. We got to. That's where it held us down last time. All right, we need to get above 22, 23-ish. There we go. Broke that. Cleaned it up, swept it, rejected. I need to find support on this node right here. Buyers, come on in. No. Got the top of the hour in 8 minutes. We could just make that right shoulder there at 23.50. Needs to get to that 30 though. Left the gap behind at 19.50. Got 12 seconds left to see where we go with it. Looks like it wants to push up. Oh yeah. There we go. We're going back to 19. We'll see. Now if we get into this low volume area, it's gonna launch. We're gonna get some buyers. Boom. Taking it out. There you go. See how we fill out this volume profile. Still got 14 seconds, 5 minutes closing in 1 minute, 12 seconds, 10 seconds. You know, I think we go make a double top or a higher high at least. We can do that. We gotta get above 29. Come on. Nope. Oh, where did my volume profile go? I need to reload my tab. There you go. Like I said, I was curious as to what it would do at 30 here. Now, if we don't get out of this area, it'd be a head and shoulders, but it's still a bull flag. All right, back down. Come on. We got a gap up there at 25,059.75, which I think we'll get to. So I'm just going to front run it by 3 points and see if we can't go up and test the bottom of that gap first. Let's see if we can't take a TP on the funded account here. Yeah, I was curious if we were gonna reject 30. Yeah, we might. We could reject 30 pretty good. Yeah, rejecting it. I mean, hourly is closing soon, so wouldn't be shocked if we try to get to 59 before the hour closes, but could be wrong. Wonder if I broke up my or violated my MAE with 1 mini on this already. It's like 30%, right? 30%. 30%. $5,000 times 30%, I think. Yeah, it's 1,500. That means 1,500. I didn't get the $1,500 drawdown. I don't think. I don't think I did. Well, let's see. Making a lower low. 33. I'm gonna make a high today. Better high day. Draw down to green. Let's go get 5650, please. Adding one. If it takes me. Just put them together there. Nope. Oh man. Top of the hour. Pushing lower. Bummer. Made a lower high. Alright. Well, let's see. I thought we would possibly go try to test the 55 up here, but maybe not. Hourly pulled back a little bit. What's happening? Thank you. What's up, Miss K911? Dave? Thanks, appreciate it. Yeah, it is lunchtime. We get a lunchtime pump back to 55. Let's do it. If you're just joining us, I'm in a funded Apex, 150k, just 2 minis, going for 25,000, 55.50. I just added into one just now. You know, I mean, I've been holding, actually. My entry is back here for my 1 mini. Came in a drawdown, held it. So, I mean, it happens. But it's okay. The chart is not what... Yeah, man. Absolutely. For sure. Good to see you in the chat, Dave. Sure. So I've been making adjustments to the stream as we go, but hopefully we get up to 55 here. We could get higher, but I don't know. I mean, maybe this is as high as we go. It's 41, 40. I'd like to see a higher high though, of all things, because then at least if we make a higher high and go lower, then it's not a double top, you know? Besides, I was like negative 900 down here. It's like, come on. Only negative 900 to make 300? Oof, that's a bad risk reward. But, I mean, green is green, right? You don't always say it like that. But I have faith that we get up here at 25,000, 55, 56 even, maybe even higher. But go test the bottom of that gap. Not even faith, but just we gotta go get them, make a higher high. We gotta get higher than 25,047 at least. Thanks. Appreciate it. It's first day of the funded, so could run right up to 55 TP. Could reverse here at 40. Do whatever it wants to do. They're buying it. Let's go. 33 seconds left. I noticed at 32nd they move something. Every 30 seconds it moves, like particular direction or reverses. Yeah. They made a little bit of higher high, right? This is a little 42. 42 they rejected. All right. Let's do one more. Let's see. Added one more. We could come back to the 20 EMA before we go higher, but It'd be nice to see it rip up there. All right, let's see if we get it. It's time. Time to show the power of the bulls. It could reject 42. There it goes, it rejected. What do we got? 27 seconds left. Could just psych us out for a bit. Go make a higher high of day. Come on. Let's go. What does the Bookmap say? I am live, Zen. I am. I'm trying to go to 55. 54. Maybe 54 would be better. Just looking at the Bookmap, you know. I got 3 minis on right now. Built into it, got in short, long here, dumped off, made me a little nervous. But here we're coming back up to high of day. We'll see if we don't reject 47. We need a bullish candle here. All right, come on, let's go. Oh man, Test teasing, rejecting, looks sweepy. Just tuning in. Yeah, I've been working into this long, but doesn't seem to want to go higher than high of day. 45.68, just dropped off 10 points. Not trying to catch the big candle down. Could get to 54. Wants to quickly. I think if it does, it'll go quickly and back. If it doesn't, I better figure out a way to get out of this thing. We'll see. Well, I don't know if we're gonna make a higher high of day. We wicked up there pretty good. Are we gonna do it? Is it gonna do it? Are we gonna break high of day? Oh man, just teasing me, man. Just straight up tease. Beautiful. I believe I'm out. I'm out. Let's go. Right? pull up a stop behind me. I'm out. I'm out. I already took it. I took TP. I'm up $1,695.70 on the funded Apex that I just recently activated. 150K. You can see it right there. Look at it. And we're still rolling up. Probably could have even went all the way up to probably 77, but it just for precautions. So, all right, cool. So I got in short here. We came down. What was that? How many points is that? What is this price? 25,016. So 75, 25,016. 25, 1625. So I had a drawdown of, I want to say 46.5 points. Goodness gracious. Okay, so at 46.5 points times 20. Oh, $930 drawdown. I'm still way within my MAE. So no, consistency is fine. I never exited the trade. I added in 2 on the way up. I'm allowed 30% MAE, so that's 1,500 on 150K. So that's fine. That's doable. We're filling the gap above right now. Oh yeah. I mean, like 1,500, $2,000 is okay on my consistency for Apex. That's fine. Yeah, not a big deal. So look, if you check out the full screen, we got a gap here that we're filling right now. And that's, I mean, this gap was bigger. It was a 71 tick gap, but we've mitigated most of it now. So I was thinking 77.50 is where we could have went to, obviously. And I was like, you know, I'm not gonna trade to that. Or not, I traded to the bottom and front ran a little bit, couple points to the bottom. So, but no, that was good. That was good. $1,600 on the funded account for the Apex. That's day one of 8. So we got 7 days left. Yeah, it is Wednesday, right? It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday. So we got all week, you know, not a big deal. I didn't hit my MAE on it. I'm super excited. If I would have let it go much higher, you know, I would 3 contracts. Yeah, if I would have let it go much higher. I mean, I don't want to make more than about 1,500 a day, give or take. 1,500 times 8 days is 12,000. I could take about $22,750 on the payout day. So yeah, I'd like to make 12 grand in 8 days. Not a problem. You know, we'll get it working. So, but I really appreciate you all joining. Certainly was kind of lonely in here for a minute. Kind of quiet, was talking to myself, which is okay. That's part of being a content creator. But if I can stay consistent on this funded account, right now 90% off. Use RMTWB as a coupon for 90% off. $95 one-time activations. I did do some things different this time with this activation. I decided to pay the monthly activation for overhead of $105 a month. I think that's a mental process. It's like overhead. I gotta make money in this account to pay for the account, because in any business, when you pay up front, but any business, you think of it as a business. You pay the amount, you take a payout. You think to yourself, hey, you know, there is a withdrawal that I have to take to pay for this account. So hopefully we can move this account to payout. I got 7 days left, and then we get that far, that'd be nice. So if I start my new strategy, my new thought process of taking 1 mini, 2 minis during regular trading hours, and then starting at about 10:15 Eastern moving forward, I think that we'll be able to make a payout request and do kind of build into the position as needed. So it's just, I'm allowed to build into it, and that works. We can build into it, take TPs. You know, I got a $5,000 drawdown. $1,500 a day. Gives me time if I start to see a reversal in something. So I certainly will have a good lunch. I hope you all have a good lunch. I think to myself, if I can I think $1,500 a day gets me to that point to where I can do something with it. But with this, I don't want to take any more. I did blow my eval on the way in to that trade, which I was kind of bummed out. I blew that. I mean, it says distance to drawdown is $17 positive. So I don't know if I blew it. Maybe I didn't. Maybe I didn't blow it. It says I did, but I don't see anything, Maybe you can sell stop one.
Order rejected.
Yeah, no, it's gone. It's gone. It's okay though. It's $39 to get it rolling. But yeah, I'm excited about trading this funded. It's time for me to take a payout on Apex. So we'll work this one slow. We'll get this one down. Stay within my MAEs, stay within my consistencies, and just work it to a payout. Maybe add in a couple other evals with a little bit less size, and instead of blowing the account, just trying to work it with the PA. So I'm gonna do that now. I appreciate y'all watching, hanging out. I do want to do one thing here before I take off. Let me see. I do want to do one thing. Let's make it rain. Let's make it rain. I'm gonna make it rain. Oh, we're making it rain. Check out Lucid, Apex, Lucid RMTWB. Would love to have you guys check out that firm. That firm has actually been doing really well. Let's see here. All right. Oh yeah, I'm done for the day. I'll be back tomorrow taking a trade. It didn't go crazy. I didn't exit. I mean, the only thing that really blew was my eval, but for a PA, yeah, I mean, we pretty much took 3 trades, all in the same trade, same setup, and TP'd here at 25.054. So I appreciate you watching. I hope you have a great night, great day. Try not to trade Asia too much. Trump is speaking tonight. State of the Union address. Taco. So, all right. You have a great day. Peace.
Hello.
Hello.
Did you enjoy the stream?
I did. Thank you for watching.
Same small dream of getting this right. Hey. Think with Bookmaps, trust that chat, slow control, no FOMO. Ryan Mac teaches that if you're here for the climb, not just the hit, pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this.